Zero to low cost is my vibe. I've put some gift ideas, gift suggestions together for you. These are things that I've implemented in my own history and my own experience, some that I've researched for you. And I've separated them into 4 categories. So I'm going to share them with you today. At the end, stay tuned to the end because I have a special Christmas gift giving idea that you don't want to miss. So stay tuned to the end. Okay. Number 1, a service gift. So this could be any kind of service that you can provide that really helps out your friend, your family member. This could be babysitting. Like, do they have babies? Do they have fur babies? Do they have both? I can tell you there are times where I have not been able to schedule time away because I have a fur baby, and fur baby sitting is expensive. So if you can offer that as a service to a friend or family member, that would be truly appreciated. I know I'd appreciate that. You could also do things like house cleaning, car cleaning, errand doer. Do you know how to do nails or hair? Do that for a friend. Give that as a gift. Again, I would appreciate that. If somebody were to tell me that they're not able to give me a Mother's Day gift, for example, but they're willing to detail my car, I'll take that. Real quick interruption here. Everything that I talk about on today's video will be uploaded to my blog, so I will link that in the description below. You'll have access to all of this information, all of the ideas, all the suggestions will be in a blog post. So no need to take notes, no need to write anything or record back and forth. Everything that I share with you today will be on the blog, and you can just click on the link in the description below or comments below and have access to all of this information. So, okay, let's get back to the video. Number 2, a craft or a handmade gift. You can create an affirmation jar, fill a jar that you have at home or a jar that you've thrifted with positive messages for your recipient. A heartfelt note card or a letter, something that you wrote, something that you sketched, something that you drew. You could even create something personalized artwork, something that you painted. Homemade baked goods or meals. I know if you were gifting to a new parent or a new family or someone who maybe is experiencing an injury, or you want to give them something as a get well, a meal, home baked goodies would be an awesome gift. Upcycled creations. Maybe you found something at the thrift store or something that you even found anywhere and you upcycled it for your friend's home or room or office. Downloaded photos and prints. You can find things very cheap on Etsy or online somewhere, or even in your own collection, maybe some photos that you've made or taken. You can download them and print them for your friends, frame them. Personalized artwork, if, like I mentioned earlier, if you're a painter or sculptor, someone who has some artistic abilities, create something artistic for your friends, family member. A nature-inspired artwork. I have a tree that looks kind of like a eucalyptus. It's not a eucalyptus. I don't know what the name of it is, but it sheds its bark. And it shed bark recently, and it looked like an angel wing. And I thought that was such a pretty creation. Magnolia leaves make beautiful artwork. You can do so much with nature-inspired items. Do you know how to sew or knit or crochet? That's also a gift right there. And if you can create something like a quilt or a blanket or a pillow, anything like that would be a wonderful gift to give. And it's something that they would treasure for a very long time. Number 3, digital gifts. You can create a playlist. You can create a video message. You can create something on YouTube that is only shared with a private person, someone that's just for them. You can create a digital photo album. I know I did that for my mom once for a Mother's Day gift. I gathered some old photos that she had found recently or during that time when she was going through her mom's things, and I downloaded them to her computer so she could always have that on her computer screen. I know my son did that with his niece's first year. So it was, he was a young uncle and he wanted to gift something to his older brother's first child and her first birthday. So he gathered photos from her first year and put them together in a PowerPoint presentation for her to have later on. So those are all awesome gifts. A screensaver. Sometimes, you might notice a friend of yours has a smart TV. I have a smart TV here, and I sometimes don't even have the images that I would like to put on my TV, but you might have some incredible pictures that you'd like to share, and you can create that and download it for your friend and put them on their smart TV screen or their computer or their phone, whatever they have. That's a great gift right there. Number 4, experience gifts. So picnics, hiking, going to the park somewhere, going for a walk, going to a museum. Find things in your area that are low cost or sometimes even free, like parades or a farmer's market or some event that's going on in your city or nearby. Take a road trip. I know when my husband and I, we've been married for over 20 years and we've been together for over 20 years as well. But it's gotten to the point where we would rather have an experience gift over a purchase gift. Because over these years, we don't need any more stuff. But the experience of spending time together is actually most important, most valuable to us. So taking a road trip is a great way for us to just get out, go do something. It could be just a day trip or it could be a weekend, whatever our budget will allow. There's times where we just take a road trip up to another city to go to a farmer's market, like I mentioned, or a parade or some event that's going on, have some lunch, go for a walk. That's a gift that we really enjoy. But sometimes for birthdays and anniversaries, we will take a road trip, we'll go away for the weekend, and that's it. That's our gift. No other purchase required because we don't need any more stuff. Okay. Ow. Okay, you've made it to the end of the video, and I have one last suggestion for you, and that is if you're watching this video and you're planning Christmas holidays, I can share with you what we do in our family. So in our family, all of the kids get presents. That was the rule. All the kids would have something to open, and all of our matriarch or patriarch, I don't know what you call them, but your grandparents, all the grandparents got something. So if we were having a gathering and it was just, my siblings and our children, we would definitely make sure our parents got a gift from us. But for the adults and the friends in the crowd, how do you gift them? Do you buy a gift for every single person? Well, sometimes that's not possible. So what we do is we do like a white elephant gift exchange. And I have some ideas for you to keep it fun and to keep it lively and hopefully enjoyable. White elephant gifts should never be a stressor on you. First of all, you don't want to stress out your friends to buy the perfect gift because, like, for example, in my family, we have a wide range of ages participating in our white elephant. They could be anywhere from 18 to 60 something in our family. So that's a wide range of people to shop for. So what I like to do is come up with an idea, a theme to shop around. So it could be anything that's DIY. So everybody has to make something, or it can be anything that's thrifted. Or it could be a theme around, like, say, Christmas. It has to be related to a Christmas movie or a Christmas song or your favorite things, like that song. These are a few of my favorite things. So bring your favorite thing, like your favorite hair product or your favorite smoothie maker or something like that, your favorite chocolates, something like that. One year we did an as seen on TV. So every gift we brought had to have that label as seen on TV. And that was a fun party. Anything like everybody bring a pair of socks. So everybody has to buy a pair of goofy socks or fun socks or a hat or a scarf, anything. Really, just come up with a theme, have a conversation with the people who you're going to be celebrating with, and come up with an idea. Come up with an idea, a suggestion, a gift plan, a budget, and go with that. Because bottom line is, it should never be a stressor on anyone to buy a gift. The whole goal of gathering for any occasion is to have that gathering and to be together during those special occasions, during those milestones in your life. What matters is that you've gathered and that you're together, and no one should ever stress over a gift or the gift that you're bringing. Don't let that happen. I hope these ideas help you plan for your next gift exchange and milestone in your friends and loved ones' life. I hope that I was able to offer you some good suggestions here, but if I didn't, if I left anything out, you have an idea, I'd love to hear about it. Please share in the comments below, or let me know what your favorite was and something that maybe I shared that you wanted to give it a try. Let me know. I'd love to hear about that. This channel is all about zero to low cost vibes, and I hope you enjoy this content. I hope I see you in the next video, and I hope wherever you are feeling safe and loved. Until the next video, bye for now.